Okay, so then let's look at there in the past simple and what that's all about. In the past, what's already happened. So we use was and were. Was for singular and were for plural. Plural. Very nice. Okay. So there was a model at the party. Model being the singular object. There was a model at the party. Very good. Party being the event. Party. There were 2 plus singers. 2. Well, we could say singers at the party or singers to at the party by definition. You could say there were a lot of people. People there. There being at the party. There were a lot of people. There was James at the party. James being singular, only one. James won at the party. James being James being a noun, the name of someone or something. Name, so it's was. Very good. He, we could even say he was there. He was there at the party. But now we're getting all over the place. But there was James at the party. There he is. Yeah. Very good. So singular was, plural were. There were singers. There was a model. Very nice. Very nice, yeah. Let's keep going.